Alright, so I got a crap ton of accessories for the car, starting with these floor mats here. So these are premium car TPE floor mats. Again, the TPE material, but then it feels like rubber. It's got a lot of texture to it too. And this will replace all the cheap fabric OEM floor mats. They're just really, really thin. So check this out. Yeah, just really thin and flimsy. So let's get rid of these and put the new ones in. Alright, so let's go ahead and crack this open. Love how it's just like a big old basket, so even if you have water, mud, dirt, whatever, someone vomiting in your car, it's going to be contained in this basket right here. Very nice. Alright, so these are the two front floor mats. This is the rear. Let's go and pop that in right now. Again, check out this quality. Just really, really nice. If you were to tell me that I got these at Tesla for like 500 bucks, I'd be like, all right, cool. But a little bit over 100 bucks for this. And it fits like a glove. Check that out. Check that fitment, you guys. Perfect. And it's in there, locked in. It's really cool. All right, so that is the rear floor mat. Let's go ahead and work on the rest. All right, so this is the front. This big one is the trunk. It's just folded up. It's probably going to take a few days to a few weeks to get flattened out. It's folded up. And then we also got the lower trunk mat as well. Oh yes. Alright, so drop this right in just like that. The bigger end goes towards the front of the car. I love how fitted this whole thing is. Really grips the fabric of the vehicle. Sits nice and perfect. And with this too, it still allows you to get deep down in here. So again, we've got the front plate mount. I got to do that as soon as possible. And then I've got the adapter for the general chargers. Be able to charge your Tesla with some EV goes and whatnot. So this is the under trunk storage. Again, fits like a glove, edge to edge, front to back. It's just really perfect. Pop the front. Alright, so up here at the front, check the storage out. Alright, looks like it goes this way. Again, we've got the tow hook right here. This covers it up. Perfect fitment. Lots of storage up here, which is really awesome. Oh, this is Velcroed in, huh?
Do I get up?
No, you should be alright. Alright, let's go ahead and install the front passenger. All right, so these are the floor mats that I purchased from Amazon. Link in the description below. Check it out. It's just a lot better quality than these thin, flimsy OEM floor mats that come with your car. And you'll be completely waterproof, protecting your car. And just a much higher quality floor mat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.